How to hand wash a bra. Washing machines and heat-based dryers seem to target our bras for special destruction. Elastic snaps, linings disappear, fabric tears. To make sure we preserve our bra quality for as long as possible, the most recommended approach is hand washing. 1. Get everything ready. To hand wash your bra properly, prepare a large basin or bucket, non-alcohol-based detergent, and 2 large, absorbent towels. Check your bras for linings or inserts that you want to wash separately. 2. Prepare the water and detergent. When you prepare the water, lean more towards cold than hot. It's better to hand wash bras in cold water than in something hot. Depending on your bras and preference, add between 1 teaspoon to 1 tablespoon of detergent. Swirl your hand through the water to get it mixed in, but don't worry about making suds. 3. Add the bras and soak them. Place your bras in the basin or bucket, swirling them lightly to get the water in. For anything particularly dirty, rub the fabric very carefully together. To get the cleansing through the whole material, let them soak from anything from 10 minutes to 1 hour. It depends on the material, and how you've used those particular bras throughout the week. 4. Rinse well. After the soak, swirl each bra through the water a last time before lifting it out. Rinse out the basin or bucket lightly, then refill it with cool water. Put your bras back, swirl them around, and then pour out the water. Repeat until the water runs clear. Since our bras practically hug our skin, the last thing we want is a bit of soap left in there irritating us. 5. Dry naturally. Do not throw in dryer. And do not wring out. Take towel 1 and lay it on a flat surface. Lay your bra down on the towel. Then take towel 2 and lay it on top of your bra. Carefully, press down on towel 2 so that any excess water is absorbed by the towels. Take the bra and hang it up to dry. Repeat with the rest of the bras. Invest in hand washing time. Hand washing may feel like a whole lot of work, especially at the end of a long day or week. However, it saves us a lot. We don't need to spend time hunting down another bra when the dryer snaps the elastic, or fussing over a bra whose lining took a vacation in the rest of the laundry load. With care, we can give our bras long and healthy lives.